Prynhawn da bawb. I'm Laurie Jones, Assistant Director at Estyn. Croeso cynnes i chi gyd. A warm welcome to you all to our Estyn live session this afternoon. Diolch am ymuno gyda ni pnawn 'ma. Thank you for joining us today on this sunny afternoon. And the purpose of today's Estyn Live is to discuss improving attendance in secondary schools. So I'm delighted that I'm joined today by Alan Edwards, who's Senior HMI, and we'll both give you an overview of our thematic report on attendance in secondary schools, which was republished last May. We're also delighted to be joined by Mr. Gareth Morgan, Head of Progress and Wellbeing at Ysgol Rhydywaun, and Mrs. Liana Stansfield, FSM and Attendance Coordinator, also at Ysgol Rhydywaun. We're also joined by Mrs. Nerys Davies, Head Teacher at Hailby Comprehensive School, and by Sinead as well, who's joining us from Hailby as well. So if you have any questions to any of the presenters, you can submit anonymously through the Q&A box at the top of your screen. But before we start our presentation, let's start with some housekeeping. So part of this webinar will be in Welsh, and we have English language interpretation available. To enable this, click on More at the top of your screen, click Language and Speech, choose Language Interpretation, and then choose to listen in English. Right, byddai yn siarad yn Gymraeg now. I'll be turning to Welsh. Felly, da ni'n cynnal y digwyddiad Estyn yn fyw hwn fel dilyniant un hadroddiad thematig wnaethon ni ailgyhoeddi fel ddedais i ym mis Mai 2025. Ac bod presenoldeb wedi gwella dros y 2 blynedd diwetha, rydyn yn parhau weld nad yw'n gwella ar gyfradd ddigon cyflym, ac mae'n ymddangos bod y gwelliant hwnnw'n arafu yn genedlaethol eleni. Da ni'n parhau weld cyfran uchel o ysgolion uwchradd yn cael argymhelliad ar gyfer gwella presenoldeb yn dilyn arolygiadau. Mae presenoldeb disgyblion sy'n gymwysig â prydau ysgol am ddim yn parhau i fod yn brydel cenedlaethol pwysig iawn. Nawr, dyn ni'n cydnabod wrth gwrs bod yr heriau mae ysgolion ni wynebu a'r ymdrechion mae ysgolion ni gwneud ar ragwedd bwysig yma. Ond dyn ni hefyd yn sylweddoli pa mor bwysig ydy'r maes yma o waith yr ysgol. A dyn ni'n gobeithio bydd y sesiwn yma yn nodi rhywfaint o arfer defnyddiol i ysgolion wrth iddynt werthuso prosesau ar gyfer gwella presenoldeb. Llai basio nawr at Alan.
Diolch, Laurie. So just to really give some of the headlines from our thematic report. And we are seeing that processes are improving across Wales around attendance, but the impact of them still remains too variable. And throughout the thematic report, we did identify a number of challenges that schools face, which include things like school transport, maintaining attendance, particularly during this time of year when exams start for year 10 and 11 and then sixth form, and also increased challenge with emotional school-based avoidance. But we also recognised as part of the report that schools can't do this alone, and it does require a joint multi-agency approach. Throughout the report, we do identify some different practice that schools have tried to overcome some of these barriers, and we've got 2 other schools to share some of their approaches today. But I thought it would be helpful just to outline where we saw the most effective practice, what generally systems looked like. And what we could see is that leaders created a strong culture of improving attendance where it was everyone's responsibility and everyone understood that. There were high expectations shared with pupils, parents and staff. And really, evaluation and improvement processes were really rigorous in terms of using a range of data forensically, but also looking at the impact different interventions had in order to improve pupils' attendance. Importantly, though, in the most effective cases, leaders identified the importance of the relationship between strong teaching and curriculum in terms of encouraging pupils' attendance so that they have engaging learning experiences when they are at school. And we saw this continual focus on improving attendance. So it remained a high priority within the school, and was also a high priority through leadership meetings and so on to make sure that it was monitored and that people were held to account for its improvement. On the next slide, there's just a really brief overview of some of the questions. They're not all there, but in the thematic report, we do identify some questions that leaders might find useful when evaluating attendance. We will pop a link to the thematic in the chat of this, so please feel free to use those questions if they are of use. I think that's it, Lowry, so I'll pass back to you.
Diolch yn fawr, Alan, for that overview. And importantly now, we have two schools who are going to contribute and talk about their experiences. Felly, I ddechrau, da ni'n troi at ysgol Gyfun Rhydywaun ac mae Gareth a Liana wedi ymuno ni heddiw a da ni'n ddiolchgar dros ben iddyn nhw ag un cydweithwyr o ysgol heoddi hefyd am ymuno â ni. Felly, os I droi atoch chi, Gareth a Liana, I siarad am eich gwaith chi ynghylch gwella presenoldeb.
Diolch yn fawr iawn, prynawn da pawb. Felly, jyst i ddechrau heddi, nes i edrych ar y prif heriau ni'n wynebu yn sicr yn y 5 mlynedd diwetha. Oedd yna dirywiad sylweddol ar ôl y pandemig, Covid wrth gwrs, a welon ni nifer o ddisgyblion a rhieni yn ymgysylltu gyda'r ysgol a teimladau eitha negyddol tuag at addysg yn sicr a gyda'r falle pwyslais o gweithio adre a yn newid i bywydau ac i gymdeithas yn gyffredinol. Welon ni dirywiad sylweddol yn presenoldeb. Fe welon ni hefyd yn penodol dirywiad yn ein niferoedd disgyblion prydysgol yn ddim ni hefyd. Felly, oedd yna tipyn o heriau i wynebu. So wrth i ni mynd ati wedyn fel ysgol a fel tîm lles i taclo'r broblem yma, fe edrychon ni ar system tracio presenoldeb newydd. Nathon ni sefydlu system tracio hygyrch a oedd e'n canolog i bawb ar y tîm lles a'r uwch dîm yn yr ysgol mwyn i pawb war ar ôl nhw. Y prif ffocws oedd ar grwpiau penodol ddisgyblion megis fes y blwyddyn, so pob pennydd blwyddyn wrth gwrs yn delio'r blwyddyn nhw, grwpiau bechgyn a merched, cymharu nhw, prydysgol yn ddim fel wedes I, anghenion dysgu ychwanegol, ac yna ymreithau targedig am grwpiau targed penodol wrth i ni weld patrymau datblygu fel mae'r blwyddyn mynd mlaen. Yn seiliedig ar yr uchod, tynnu sylw at disgyblion o dan 95% presenoldeb, mwyn I ni dal disgyblion yn gynnar cyn I nhw ddirywio, yn ormodol. A nathon ni cynnig ymreithau yn gynnar trwy wneud y canlynol. Yn gyntaf cyfarfodydd pennaethiau cynnydd y lles, sef pennaethiau blwyddyn, gyda disgyblion a rhieni. Wedyn system ble o'n i'n llythyru I codi ymwybyddiaeth adre. Gwahodd rhieni mewn i'r ysgol I gael trafodaeth am y materion yma. Llythyron gyson sy'n monitro presenoldeb. Wedyn, fel wedys I, creu grwpiau targed I ddatrys y problemau yma. Symud ymlaen wedyn, datblygu cyfarfodydd rhieni a gwahodd asiantaethau allanol a gael cyfarfodydd aml asiantaeth. Mae sôn mwy mewn ychydig amdano'r gwaith yr AWS ac yn y blaen yn dod mewn I helpu ni fel ysgol. Ac yna edrych ar ymreithau ac atgyfeiriadau mewnol trwy defnyddio hwb lles ni, sef yr hafan. So, wrth mesur yr effaith y system tracio yma wedyn, ni'n gweld system tracio sy'n fwy hygyrch i'r tîm presenoldeb defnyddio yn effeithiol. Tîm presenoldeb yn gyson yn ei dillu y monitro presenoldeb rhwng unigolion a grwpiau. Rhywbeth sy'n digwydd yn ddyddiol, rhywbeth sy'n digwydd eitha naturiol nawr fel rhan o strategaethau lles ni o ddydd I ddydd. Tîm presenoldeb sydd yn glir yn gyson gyda dillio gweithredu ar sail presenoldeb unigolion a grwpiau a beth yn union mae rhaid nhw'n wneud. Tracio effeithlon o sicrhau ymreithau targedig a priodol I ddisgyblion ac eto rhannu'r system tracio yma gyda'r sir, gyda'r asiantaethau allanol mwyn bod ni gyd yn gweithio at yr un golau. Ac eto gwell defnydd o fonitro data Cymru a data ysgol hefyd. Felly symud ymlaen, o'n i edrych ar cysondeb a rolau cytun ni fel ysgol. edrych ar arweinyddiaeth, neu datblygu arweinyddiaeth gref ar uwch tîm arwain, a sefydlu system gytun rhwng randeiliad lle mae pawb yn ymwybodol o'i rolau yn ymwneud â phresenoldeb. Mae hwn rhywbeth i datblygu o disgyblion reit trwyddo i tîm lles ac i rieni adre gyda pawb yn gwneud rhan nhw ac yn codi ymwybyddiaeth yn pob ran o'r daith y disgyblion hefyd. Felly mae rôl y tiwtor dosbarth yn hynod o bwysig o ddydd i ddydd. Os mae plant yn cwmpo rhwng 100% presenoldeb yn 98, ni'n amlwg yn llongyfach nhw, annog nhw i barhau gyda'r ymdrech dda yma o dod i ysgol. Maen nhw'n derbyn cyn-nybyddiaeth, ond hefyd ni'n gwobrwyo. Mae yna systemau gwobrwyo yn yr ysgol. Rhwng 97% a 95% wedyn, ni'n croesawu ar ôl yr absenoldeb, a wedyn ni'n gosod grwpau targed presenoldeb personol i'r disgyblion, a chynnal sgyrsiau i tracio'r targed yna yn wythnosol hefyd. A wrth gwrs wedyn codi ymwybyddiaeth gyda rhieni trwy ein system cyswllt, system Bromcom ni yn yr ysgol. A wedyn os maen nhw'n cwmpo o dan y strategon 95%, mae hwnna wedi mynd lan, mae'n cael ei uwchraddio i'r pennaeth cynnydd, y pennaeth blwyddyn, a wedyn mae cyfarfodydd mwy dwys a mwy o falle asiantaethau yn gallu bod yn rhan o'r sgwrs o pam maen nhw wedi cwmpo o dan 95%. So, cael ymlaen o ran cysondeb a datblygu rolau, ni wedi sefydlu aelod o staff fel prif cyswllt gwella presenoldeb yn ffocysu ar ddisgyblion prydysgol am ddim. Dyma ble mae Miss Leanna Stansfield yn dod mewn, a mae'r gwaith mae hi wedi gwneud i sefydlu y systemau tracio yma yn angenreidiol i ni fel ysgol. Defnydd ffeithiol o swyddog presenoldeb dynodedig yr ysgol, Miss Kerry Daniels, dyn ni yn Rydwain, a ni wedi datblygu partneriaeth llwyddiannus iawn gyda'r sir a'r gwasanaeth presenoldeb a lles, Miss Lindsay Spacey o Rhondda Cynon Taf sy'n dod mewn yn aml iawn i gael cyfarfodydd gyda ni a helpu gyda ein cyfarfodydd gyda rhieni ac ein system tracio a targedu ni. Ni wedi sicrhau fel tîm bod presenoldeb yn flaenoriaeth ysgol gyfan. Mae fe'n rhan o cynllun gwella ysgol gyfan ni. Felly mae fe'n un o prif blaenoriaethau ni yn symud mlaen. Ni wedi sefydlu arferion lle mae pawb yn ymwybodol ac yn chwarae rhan ddyddiol yn presenoldeb. Mae presenoldeb yn rhan o pob gwasanaeth. Mae fe ar ein screens trwy'r ysgol gyfan. Mae yna cystadlaethau. Mae fe'n un o'r Mae fe'n sylfaen i'r negeseuon sy'n mynd mas yn wythnosol i ddisgyblion a staff. A mae'r tîm o'r uchod yn cwrdd unwaith bob cylch amserlen i drafod presenoldeb disgyblion gyda'r gwasanaeth presenoldeb lles y sir hefyd. Felly mae yna lot fawr o cydweithio mewnol ac allanol yn digwydd ar lefel ysgol a'r lefel sirol hefyd. Symud ymlaen wedyn i grwpiau mentora. Ni'n ffocysu ar 3C, sef cynnydd, cymorth a cyswllt. O ran cynnydd, cyfarfodydd wythnosol, tracio wythnosol, seiliedig ar heriau dyddiol. Ni'n edrych o ran fel rôl yn tîm lles, edrych ar sefyllfa adref. Pryder mae plant yn dangos, ar yma'r flwyddyn wrth gwrs, mae ni lot o pryder aroliadau, tygau lefel A wrth gwrs. A hefyd ni wedi edrych ar y diffyg adnoddau sy'n gyda falle rai o grwpiau plant neu disgyblion ni. A mae hwnna rhywbeth mae'n symud mlaen i mewn ychydig. Ni'n hefyd moyn dathlu y cynnydd yn seiliedig ar unigolion, a dyma ble eto mae'r gwobrwyo yn dod mewn. O ran cymorth, ymyrraethau targedig ar sail y mentora sy'n digwydd o'r tiwtoriad yn y bore a trwyddo ni fel tîm lles y pennaethiau blwyddyn. Mae da ni yn Rhydwain rhywbeth o'r enw siop a caffi Sian, ble mae symud ymlaen o'r diffyg adnoddau ni'n sôn am jyst nawr. Mae gyda disgyblion, mynediad at lot fawr o adnoddau pe bai yn gwisg, adnoddau academaidd, hyd yn oed pethau fel bwydydd ac yn y blaen i helpu datrys yr heriau sydd yn stopio rai plant dod i'r ysgol yn y lle cyntaf. Felly mae hwnna wedi profi fod yn llwyddiannus iawn. Mae da ni partneriaeth dda gyda'r asiantaethau allanol o ran cwnsela ac yn y blaen. Mae da ni'n gweithio, mae da ni aelod o'r staff sy'n gweithio gyda Elsa, lot o cwnsela mewnol. Mae da ni systemau profiad gwaith i rai disgyblion sy'n profi mwy heriol ag eraill o ran presenoldeb, ac wrth gwrs yr check-ins boreol fel petai sy'n digwydd gyda grŵp o tutoriad ni. O ran cyswllt wedyn, cyswllt gyson rhwng yr ysgol a rhieni, mae galwadau dyddiol yn y bore, galwadau lles gan ein swyddfa ni neu siŵr ydy popeth yn iawn pan mae disgyblion niwn ac yn y blaen. Eto dathlu llwyddiant, a wedyn, os mae angen cyfarfodydd pwrpasol yn seiliedig ar y sesiynau mentora. O be ni wedi gweld gyda'r cyswllt yma, mae agwedd a falle'r diwylliant rhwng rhieni a yr ysgol, mae'n elfen mwy bositif o rhieni, mae'n teimlo bod rhieni mwy bositif am presenoldeb nag oedden nhw rhyw 4-5 mlynedd yn ôl yn syth ar ôl y pandemig. So ran mesur effaith, fel wedys i, rhieni yn fwy parod i ymgysylltu gyda'r ysgol. O holiaduron llais y disgybl, mae disgybl wedi adrodd i bod yn teimlo'n lot hapusach yn yr ysgol a maen nhw'n mwy barod i ddod nôl. Disgybl mwy barod i fynychu sesiynau yn yr ysgol a hefyd fynychu sesiynau ar ôl yr ysgol hefyd o ran adolygu ac yn y blaen. O ran ystadegau, mae yna cynnydd wedi bod yn presenoldeb, mae grwpiau mentora blwyddyn 7, mae 84% wedi gwneud cynnydd yn ei presenoldeb yn ystod y cyfnod mentora, a o ran grwpiau mentora ysgol gyfan, mae 72% wedi gwneud cynnydd yn ei presenoldeb oherwydd yr mentora. Jyst symud mlaen o ran disgyblion prydiau ysgol am ddim, eto ni eisiau helpu yn disgyblion ni mor gymaint y gallwn ni. Fi sôn yn bar am siop Sian o ran cynnig eitemau, hylendyr personol, gwisg, cotiau, kit ymarfer corff ac yn y blaen. Unrhyw le ni chi gweld, ni wedi siarad targedu fel tîm lles y gwaith Meliana yn neud, beth sy'n falle achosi trefyrthion noson cyn ysgol neu yn y boreau i disgyblion, i teuluoedd, pam bydden nhw'n dieddol o gweud, fi ddim yn dod i'r ysgol heddi nawr. So ni'n trial datrys mor gymaint o problemau ni'n gallu fyna yn yr ysgol. Ni wedi datblygu'n cyswllt ni eto, ni hysbysebu drwy cylch lythyron, gwefan ysgol, bromcom, rhyngrwyd cymdeithasol yr ysgol hefyd. Am rhieni wedi dechrau cysylltu yn uniongyrchol i dderbyn cynhaliaeth y cymorth ychwanegol hefyd. Felly mae'r ymateb wedi bod yn bositif iawn fyna. Mae caffi a siop Sian, fel ni'n gael fe, wedi bod yn llwyddiant, a mae hwnna wedi datblygu mewn i clwb brecwas newydd yn yr ysgol hefyd, cynnig disgyblion, bregus, difreintiedig, neu'n Comichel. Mae sesiwn gyginio rifedd gyda rhieni PUD hefyd wedi codi. Ni'n cynnig bwyd wedi rewi ddisgyblion fynd adref hefyd, os mae rhaid hefyd a hamperi bwyd dros cyfnod gwyliau. Felly ni'n trio targedu yn gronolegol o ran y calendar, pryd mae y pinch points fel petai ble ni wedi gweld lefelau presenoldeb yn dipo ac yn y blaen. Felly ni'n trio helpu ble ni'n gallu y fyna. Ac yna jyst i orffen o ran mesur yr effaith, disgyblion yn weld y siop Sian yn ddyddiol ar gyfer cymorth gyda gwisg ac offer. Mae rhieni'n cysylltu ofyn am gymorth ychwanegol yn ddyddiol hefyd, ble falle o'n nhw falle ddim eisiau cysylltu rhyw 5 mlynedd yn ôl. Eto, mae'n teimlo bod ragwedd wedi newid, maen nhw'n mwy barod i gofyn am y cymorth, achos maen nhw'n gwybod bod y cymorth ar gael. Oherwydd strategaethau yma, ni wedi gweld dros 25% o disgyblion prydiau ysgol ddim mae'n Comichel ni ymynychu caffi Sian yn ddyddiol ar gyfer clwb brecwast, a mae dros 25% o disgyblion yn Comichel y PUD ni yn derbyn hamperi bwyd gan caffi Sian yn ystod cyfnod y gwyliau hefyd. Jyst i orffen, fe welwch chi'r ystadegau fyna o 2022 lan at eleni. Ni wedi mynd lan o ran presenoldeb prydiau ysgol am ddim o 81% lan i dros 84% a mae'r ffigwr yna dal yn codi. Felly mae'r strategaethau mae Liana fan hyn a y tîm lles a'r asiantaethau ni'n gweithio gyda yn profi i weithio ar hyn o bryd, yn sicr gyda'r grŵp yma a grwpiau arall. Felly na fe, diolch yn fawr iawn.
Diolch yn fawr iawn, Gareth a Liana, ac mae'n arbennig o ddefnyddiol gweld effaith y gwaith yna ar bresenoldeb disgyblion prydiau ysgol am ddim yn arbennig. We'll turn now to Healddu, Ysgol Healddu in Blackwood. And we're delighted that Nerys, the head teacher of Healddu, and Sinead, who's assistant head teacher at Healddu, have joined us today to talk about their work in improving attendance. So I'll pass over to you now. Diolch.
Diolch, and thank you, Laurie. So Healddu is an 11 to 18 English medium comprehensive school in the Upper Rhymney Valley in Caerphilly Borough. We have approximately 740 pupils, and around a third of our pupils are eligible for free school meals. However, many of our families experience significant socio-economic disadvantage in the area that we're based. So over the last 5 or 6 years, we recognise that although attendance figures have improved year on year, persistent absence in particular was a significant concern for us, and the attendance of pupils who were eligible for free school meals lagged behind their non-free school meals counterparts significantly. So we realised we needed to work to introduce a more consistent, a more proactive and equitable approach to improving attendance. We're a growing school. We've increased by around 250 pupils over the last 4 or 5 years. So we were fortunate that we were able to introduce a new role to the senior leadership team. So Sinead Blucher joined us in September 2023, and her portfolio is all around wellbeing, attendance and inclusion. And she will now share how the school has worked to transform our systems to focus on key areas of broken weeks, forensic tracking and clear accountability, along with strong multi-agency collaboration. She'll also summarise the impact on our pupils and our families.
Thank you. So we started to look at kind of our whole school approach to make sure that the systems were stronger and everybody was accountable, to make sure that everybody, all staff, knew their roles within that process. So we started with the attendance data and how we tracked it using a colour-coded system, which allowed staff to quickly identify the trends, improvements and emerging concerns at a glance. So family engagement officers were quickly able to identify pupils who are at risk of persistent absence, and then pastoral leaders were able to then use this information to identify their core groups for mentoring. So whether that was FSM, girls, boys, and focusing on different year groups. Every member of staff is very clear on what their role is. So tutors will focus on pupils below 95%, and they will have those initial conversations to focus in on the impact on the missed learning and hopefully be able to identify any barriers to attendance. And then part of that approach then is it will begin with school attendance meetings, which will be held by heads of year and family engagement officers. And then following that, if we are unable to identify that or break down those barriers, we then look to that multi-agency approach where we have all external agencies kind of around the table and look at how we can support these individuals, which has had a significant impact over the last few years. Our emphasis has always been on support and partnership with the families and removing the barriers to attendance, but through introducing this tracking system, it's helped ensure that no pupils are kind of falling through the gaps, and making sure that there are actions for all those pupils that require it. The most kind of significant change to our system has been the focus on broken weeks. So rather than focusing purely on percentages, we found that when we were speaking to some parents, that kind of idea of 90% attendance was misunderstood. So we moved to focusing on a broken week, which reframes our attendance in a way that pupils and families could easily understand. So if a learner missed 1 day or even half a day in a week, that became a broken week. And this is a report that we use the SIMS for our tracking, and that this is a report that's available on there. This has been particularly powerful in identifying patterns of sporadic absence. So particularly in the autumn term, when pupils, it's harder to track that attendance, we were focusing on those broken weeks. So pupils that had a day off for the first couple of weeks, we were able to easily intervene because they were picked up through that report. And the same with kind of repeated absences on a Friday or a Monday, or for specific lessons. So it's really helped us identify and hone in on key pupils. Families could then see the cumulative impact of lost learning in a clearer way. So instead of 90% attendance, they could see the multiple disrupted weeks across the term and then across the year. And through our communication, we regularly send out broken weeks letters. So every half term and where needed, families will receive an update on their broken weeks. And we've seen a more kind of proactive response from families in relation to these letters compared to our persistent absence letters that we were previously sending out. Importantly, pupils play an active role in this process. So every week they will update their broken weeks, they will update their attendance, and their kind of structured sessions throughout the week where the tutor will have those conversations. And the purpose is that they are part of the process. It's not being done to them. They are understanding the impact in their learning, and they will then also calculate the number of lessons missed. And that has a significant impact on pupils understanding the importance of attendance and their role within that. So you can see we've made some measurable improvements in our attendance outcomes. We appreciate that they're not where we want them to be. There's still a lot of work to be done, but these processes have kind of aligned. They a key part of our school development priority, and all staff play an active role. So particularly with our FSM attendance, which has been consistently high, we have a link person that is responsible for FSM tracking. So that the data linked to those pupils is regularly shared with staff, and then hopefully those early interventions now are having an impact. So we've seen measurable progress in our data, and a genuine cultural shift for attendance from our families and our pupils.
Thank you. And as Sinead said, the work is ongoing. So this data is 24-25. We are still working hard in 25-26. The picture for us is ever challenging. For attendance, it's certainly not sorted. We are still making refinements, and that relentless consistency of role is so important when applying these processes, so children do not fall through the cracks. But reaching 90%, 90.something% is not good enough. It's a day of learning a fortnight missed. So it will remain a focus for us in our school development plan moving forward, and remains a priority, across the school in all the middle leader plans too. Happy to take any questions at the end.
Diolch yn fawr, Nerys and Sinead. You mentioned, Nerys, that this is Sinead's remit and that was a new post, but this work can't be done by just a few people, can't it? It's down to everybody in the school. So how did you work to help all staff to understand their responsibilities around improving attendance?
So it's featured heavily in our school development plan for a number of years. But you're right, it has to feature across everybody's development plan, and it has to be a priority for all staff. It's a standing agenda item in all meetings across the school, whether that's academic or pastoral. In line management, we drill down deeply into groups of learners that people are responsible, so pastoral leaders might be responsible for. But in terms of key staff in the school, as Sinead has mentioned, we've got learning coaches who work directly with young people who are, persistent absentees, for example, and they are liaising with subject staff to make sure that missed work is caught up on, and that they can then liaise with family around the impact of missed learning. We have pastoral briefings before school each week where key children are discussed, and the data is shared. I think the introduction of that broken weeks was transformative for our children, for their understanding, and also for parents. Particularly, as Sinead said, in that autumn term where one day lost, it has such a significant impact on their attendance. It can be misconstrued in some cases. So that, the impact on mislearning of broken weeks and the number of broken weeks, I think, has been, really helpful in sharing that understanding.
Oh, diolch yn fawr, Nerys. So we're now coming to the end of our Estyn Live on attendance in schools. A huge thank you. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi gyd for joining us. Special thank you to Gareth, Liana, Sinead and Nerys for joining us after, I'm sure, a very busy day at school, and diolch hefyd to Alan for joining me today. And importantly, to you for sharing all your experiences and your expertise in this area. We're hoping that it will have been helpful to those of you who have joined us today. If you have any questions that we haven't managed to answer today, please email us on communications@estyn.gov.wales and we can get back to you on those questions. And you can also use the same email address to send us any feedback on today's session. We're grateful for any feedback you'd like to share with us. Felly, ar ran pawb yn Estyn, on behalf of us all here at Estyn, we hope you have a wonderful and well-deserved half-term break. Diolch yn fawr iawn i chi i gyd a gobeithio gawch chi noswaith dda. Have a lovely evening. Hwyl fawr.